morning students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am here once again for you for the EVS lecture. Okay. Now students, I explain you chapter number 3. The name of that chapter is our sense organs. Okay. Now in this chapter, whatever I delivered you and which thing I explain you through the example, through the experiment or through the diagram, these are the things given in your textbook. Okay, this textbook. And most an important thing, when your teacher delivered you lecture, that time you keep your book with you. Okay, and see whatever your teacher told you. Now in this chapter I explain you about the sense organ. Once again I repeat for you. Okay, why the same, what is the importance of sense organs? Okay, and what is the function of the sense organ, how we should take care of sense organs, this thing we will discuss. Okay, all the things I explained you in this chapter. Now after that, one thing also given in this chapter, that is related to differently abled people. Differently abled people means people those are not speak properly, are not speak, they have they don't see anything, and we give them name, means visually disabled, visually challenged people. Okay, those people, they cannot see anything. Clear? Now this thing given and how they learn to read. Those people are visually challenged, how they should read and explain their views. So for that, Louis Braille in 1824 made a board that is related to alphabet, but for the alphabet they use dots, 6 dots for the each and every word. Okay, and he made 1 dot, 2 dot, or suppose if you want to make word according to that, he make the bold them. Okay, 6 dots. Clear? And in this way he made a board, that is the Braille script board. Okay, clear? Through that, people those who no eyes, they realize the alphabets, and through that he made spellings and start reading. Clear? But for that they need some practice. Who give them that practice? Their teachers. They are specially trained teachers, they give the practice for that. Okay, especially this types teacher only teach them people those who are visually challenged. Okay, now today we will start new words of this chapter. Okay, new words, those are the difficult word for you in this chapter, and first time you read some word. Okay, so we should start writing, but you don't write. Okay, I give you all the things through the PDF. Okay, clear? If you want to write, so after the lecture you have to write. Okay, and I also send this thing in the WhatsApp group. Clear? Now start writing chapter number 3. And how you start writing new words? Use new page. Okay, write date, day. In the first line write chapter name, leave one line here and write chapter name, our sense organs. Okay, and after that write heading. Write heading new words. Number 1, number 1 is identify. And if you write new words, how you write? First letter capital or small? Small. Okay. Identify. Now the second letter is identify means you recognize the things. Okay. If you see anything, after that you recognize that thing, means what is this that thing. Okay. Suppose you see this notebook, so you automatically say the name. Now this is notebook. Now if you see the fan, now you say this is fan. Okay. So this is the identify. You know the things. Okay. And tell the name. Next, eyelids. E-Y-E-L-I-D-S. Eyelids. Eyelids means this part. Okay, the outer part of your eyes. This skin protect your eyes from the dust and dirt. The name of that part is eyelids. Okay, it protects your eyes from the dust and dirt. Eyelids. E-Y-E-L-I-D-S. Okay. Now the number 3. The number 3 is eyelashes. Eyelashes. This is the outer part of your eyes. Now hair is there. Okay. This is the eyelashes. Okay. Now the number 4. Iris. I-R-I-S. What is the iris? Student, if you want to write, you have to write one by one. Okay. Don't use this side in your notebook. I have big board, that's why I am writing this side. Okay. But you write one by one. Okay. Down, down, down. Clear? Now, next. Iris. I-R-I-S. What is the meaning of iris? Iris is the part of your eyes. Okay. And this is the colorful part. I also explained you. Okay. Through the diagram. Iris is the colorful part of your eyes. Okay. Now next is cornea. C-O-R-N-E-A. Cornea. Cornea is a transparent part of your eyes. Okay. It works like a glass. This part absorbs the light. Okay. Now 6th number. How you spell cornea once again? C-O-R-N-E-A. Cornea. Next, pupil. P-U-P-I-L. Pupil. This is a black spot. Okay, black and situated in the middle part of your eyes. Okay, iris, pupil. Now, the 7th number. The 7th number is posture. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. Posture is a condition. It means how you sit, how you walk. Okay. Through that you perform your body language. That is the posture. Okay. Now, receiving. 8th number. R-E-C-E-I-V-I-N-G. Receiving. रिसीविंग में कलेक्ट करना. ओके. इकट्ठा करते हैं. क्लियर? नाउ द नंबर 9. The number 9 is balance. B-A-L-A-N-C-E. Balance. Balance means you need support, means two side support, okay, for your body. So this balance maintained through the which part of your body? That is the sense organ, ears. Ears maintain the balance, okay. Now the number 10, nostril. N-O-S-T-R-I-L, nostril. Nostril. This is the internal part of your nose. Now 11 number, taste bud. T-A-S-T-E-B-U-D-S, bud. What is the taste bud and where it's found? The taste bud found on your tongue. Okay, this is the small spot. The color of that spot is red. And what is the work of that taste bud? It identifies the taste for you. Okay. Now 12 number, regulate. Now the 13 number, temperature. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-U-R-E. Now once again I repeat for you this, and we will write 15 new words. Okay, 2 is also I need place, but place is not here. Okay, once again I read for you. New words of chapter number 3. The word first number is identify. How you spell identify? I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. Identify. Okay. Now second number is identify means you have to recognize the things. पहचानना किसी चीज को. First you use your eyes and see the thing, and after that you know the name and suddenly tell the name of the things, means that is the you have to identify the things. Okay. Now second number, eyelids. Eyelids are the outer part of your eyes that protect your eyes from the dust and dirt. And eyelashes, E-Y-E-L-A-S-H-E-S, eyelashes. This is the also outer part and hair is present there. Okay. And this hair also protect your eyes from the dust and dirt. Now iris, fourth number, I-R-I-S. Iris are the colorful part of our eyes. How you spell iris? I-R-I-S. Okay. Now fifth number, cornea. C-O-R-N-E-A. Cornea is a which part of your which types of part? That is the transparent part, like a glass. Okay. Now pupil. P-U-P-I-L. Pupil is a dark part, means black in the color. What is the color of pupil? That is the black in the color. Okay. And middle of your eyes. Okay. Present in the middle of your eyes. Now posture. Posture is a condition, how you sit, how you walk, that it shows your body language. Okay. How you spell posture? P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. Okay. P-O-S-T-U-R-E. Posture. Now 8 number, R-E-C-E-I-V-I-N-G. Once again, R-E-C-E-I-V-I-N-G. Receiving. Receiving means collect. You collect the things. First collect and after that you identify that. Okay, this thing doing by your ears, receiving the message or receiving the sounds. Okay, outer ear receiving sounds. Okay, means collect करना, इकट्ठा करता है, and after that send to which part of your ear? Eardrums. Through the eardrums is sent to which part? Middle ear. Okay, there we should use this word receiving. Okay, now balance, BALANCE, balance. Okay, to maintain anything, this word related to maintaining. Okay, now the 10 number, NOSTRIL, nostril. Okay, nostril is a part of your nose. Okay, this part, that is nostril. Clear? Now 11 number, TASTE, test, BUDS, buds, taste bud. These are present on your tongue, and through that taste bud you identify the taste of the food. Okay, now 12 number, regulate, REGULATE. Okay, 13 number, temperature. This word you know about it. What is the meaning of temperature? TEMPERATURE, temperature. Okay, now student, this is your new words. Okay, now the 14 and 15 remaining. Now write 14 and 15. Numbers. Visually challenged, CHALLENGED, visually challenged. Okay, visually challenged. Visual means दिखाई देना किसी चीज, है ना. Challenge means people those have no eyes. Okay, blind people, we give them name, that is the visually challenged. VISU, this is U. VISUALLY, visually challenged. CHALLENGED, challenged. Okay, now the last one is 5th number, Braille script, SCRIPT, Braille script. What is the meaning of Braille script? This is the language. Basically this language used for the blind people, those who have no eyes. For that script they should know the reading. Okay, they recognize the letters, after that they start making spellings. Okay, means they should start reading through that language, that is the Braille script. Clear? The Braille is the surname of a scientist, this language made by them. Okay, this is the 14 and 15. Now students, your new words completed here. Clear? These are the new words of chapter number 3. Now open your book. Your new words finished here. Open your book, student, and start completing your book exercise. Okay? Open your book. Open the page number 18. 18. After the new words, we complete book exercise. Okay? Now, what is given in the page number 18? Page number 18. And question number A. See, I read for you. You also put your finger on the first line. A. Tick right the correct option. Tick right the correct option. Okay. Now, the number 1 is what is given in the number 1? The image of an object is formed on the which part of your eyes? The first option is iris, the B option is cornea, and C is retina. Now, what is given in the number 1? Once again I explain you. The image of an object is formed on the means image कहाँ बनती है, कौन से part में आएगी? Iris? No. Iris is the color, only give the color. Okay? Now B, cornea. Cornea is a transparent part. So there we don't get any types of image. Now the retina. Retina is the internal part of your eyes. Okay? And it's work like a curtain, means एक पर्दे की तरह काम करता है. Okay? And it shows the image. Whatever you see. Okay? Suppose you see the fan or you see the mobile. Okay? So your cornea may make the image. Okay? And send it to internal part, that is the retina. Retina shows you all the things. Okay? Clear? Now, so what is the correct answer? Question number A. Book exercise. Chapter number 3. Question number A. Now A, 3 option given. What is the correct answer? C. The option is retina. Take that answer. Retina. Okay. We get image through the retina. Okay. Not cornea or iris. Now, number 2. What is given in the number 2? Read the sentence. Okay. Again and again and understand. After that, you have to take the answer. Okay. This is the correct way. First you read the sentence 1 or 2 times. After that, see the options. 3 options given. Suppose the first sentence. Once again I repeat for you. You read the sentence. The image of an object is formed on the. Okay. Once you don't understand what is given in the sentence, next time also read. Once again read the sentence. The image of an object. Image means एक पिक्चर बन. Of an object. Object किसी भी चीज की. Okay? जिसको भी हम देखते हैं. Is formed on the. कहाँ बनती है? Images कहाँ बनती है आँखों में? Iris पर नहीं. Iris is only give the colorful part of our eye. Okay? यहाँ नहीं बनती है. Cornea. Cornea is a transparent part like a glass. It absorbs only light for our eyes and recognize the thing means images बनाता है सिर्फ. Okay? After that, retina. Retina give the image. हमें image कैसे पता चलती है, कैसे दिखाई देता है? Through the retina. The retina is the right answer. Okay? अगर आपको पता है कि किस पार्ट का क्या फंक्शन है तो आप आसानी से टिक कर दोगे. Okay? Clear? Now the number 2. The optic nerve connects the blank to the brain. Okay? Each what given in the number 2? Once again I read for you. The optic nerve connects the blank to the brain. Okay, all parts of our body connect with the brain, but 5 parts means sense organ doing different work for our body. Okay, now each and every sense organ connect with the brain, but how that organ connect with the brain? Through the nerves. ओके, थ्रू द नर्व्स, मतलब नर्व से जुड़े होते हैं. एक पार्ट उस नर्व का अपने बॉडी सेंस ऑर्गन से जुड़ा होगा और नेक्स्ट पार्ट किससे जुड़ा होगा? ब्रेन से. एंड थ्रू दैट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नर्व? आई ऑल्सो एक्सप्लेन यू. नर्व आर लाइक अ थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, एक धागे जैसी रचनाएं होती है. ओके, मीन्स अगर आप एक धागा लोगे, ओके, देखिए ये केबल है, इसका एक सिरा इस हाथ में और एक सिरा इस हाथ में. आई गिव यू सिंपल एग्जाम्पल. ये ब्रेन है और ये हमारा आई है. ओके, क्लियर? तो थ्रू डेट नर्व आर सेंस ऑर्गन कनेक्ट विद द ब्रेन. ओके, बट व्हाट इज गिवन इन द नंबर 2? हियर गिवन द नेम ऑफ द नर्व. ओके, द ऑप्टिक नर्व. ओके, कनेक्ट द ब्लैंक टू द ब्रेन. ओके, मीन्स ऑप्टिक नर्व कौन से पार्ट को कनेक्ट करती है ब्रेन से? ओके, नोज. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज आई. नंबर बी इज टंग. नाउ द नंबर सी इज नोज. ओके, तो टंग, नो. टंग, नोज, नो. आईज. The optic nerve found in the which part of your body or which eyes? Okay, eyes connect through the optic nerve of your brain. Okay, the answer is A. Eye. Eye connect the brain through the optic nerve. Okay, now number 3. Student, if you read the chapter 2, 3 or 4 times, so you know the answer automatically. Okay, now 3 number. Which sense organ also helps in maintaining the balance of your body? Once again I read for you. Which sense organ also helps in maintaining the balance of our body? Okay, which sense organ balance your body, help you to maintain the balance? Which? The option given: A, eye. Number B, ear. Number C, skin. Skin, through the skin you know about the temperature. Only temperature are which types of things. Okay, now eye only recognize the things. Okay, now the B option is ear. Ear maintain the balance. Okay, what is the correct answer? Option number B, ear. E-A-R. Okay, ear. Now the number 4. Which is the largest sense organ? Which is the largest sense organ? मीन्स सबसे बड़ा, लंबा या सबसे बड़ा सेंस ऑर्गन कौन सा है हमारी बॉडी का? द ऑप्शन गिवन: A, आई. B, टंग. C, स्किन. स्किन. व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर? ऑप्शन नंबर C, स्किन. S-K-I-N, skin. Okay, what is given in the number 4? Once again I repeat for you. Which is the largest sense organ? सबसे बड़ा, largest मतलब लंबा, सबसे लंबा सेंस ऑर्गन कौन सा है हमारी बॉडी का? स्किन, because our whole body cover with skin. Okay, so option number C, skin. Take that. Which script is used by the visually challenged for reading? Okay, I explained you that thing. Those are the visually challenged people. They use which language to know the reading? For the reading, they use A. Option A is Roman, B. Brahmi, C. Braille. Braille. C option. Take this C option. Braille. B-R-A-I-L-L-E. Braille. Okay. Clear? Braille. Once again I read for you, student. You carefully listen my voice. Okay. The image, one number. The image of an object is formed on the image. कहाँ बनती है eyes में? A. Iris, B. Cornea, C. Retina. C. Retina. Okay. C. Retina. After that, number 2. The optic nerve connects to the brain. किस part को optic nerve connect करती है brain से? Sense organ को. Eye, tongue, nose. Eyes, because optic nerve found in the eyes. Okay. Tick the option number A, eye. Now the number 3, which sense organ also help in maintaining the balance of our body? Which part of your which sense organ help you to maintain the balance of your body? A. Eye, B. Ear, C. Skin. B. Ear. Okay, this is the answer. B. Ear. Now the number 4, which is the largest sense organ? कौन सा है सबसे लंबा सेंस ऑर्गन? आई. A option is eye, B is tongue, C is skin. Now take the option number C, skin. Okay, skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Now the number 5, which script is used? Fifth number, once again, which script is used by the visually challenged for reading? A. Roman, B. Brahmi, C. Braille. Braille. Okay, people those are visually challenged, they use Braille script. Okay. Through the touching, they identify the letters, learn the letters, how we make A, which word is this is B. Okay. Now option number C. Clear? Now student, question number B. See the question number B. True and false. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I read for you. Put your finger on the first line. True and false. The colored circle in the eye is called iris. The colored circle in the eyes is called iris. Yes, iris is a colorful part. So first sentence is true. Right? T-R-U-E. True. Okay. Now, the number 2. We should always read in dim light if you want to read anything or if you want to do your study. So which types of light you have to use? Dim light means कम लाइट में पढ़ाई करोगे या ज़्यादा लाइट में? Dim light? No. So this is false. First sentence is false. Always read or do study in the proper light. Okay. Now the number 3. The surface of the tongue is covered with taste bud. Okay. Where we should find the taste bud? On your nose? On your eyes? No. On the tongue. So what is given in the number 3? The surface of the tongue is covered with taste bud. Yes. The number 3 is true. Now the number 4. We feel hot and cold with our skin. Okay. Through the skin we should know the temperature na. Which types of temperature? Okay. The fourth number is true. What is given in the number 4? We feel hot and cold with our skin. मतलब हमारी स्किन से हम चीज़ें गर्म है या ठंडी है वो पता लगा सकते हैं. Yes. The Braille system, fifth number. The Braille system was devised by Louis Braille. Yes. True. This is made by the Louis Braille. Okay. Fifth number is true. First is true. Second number false. Third number true. Fourth number true. Fifth number true. Okay. Now see the page number. See the page number 90. What is given here? One picture of eyes and some boxes given. Okay. And same picture given in the page number 15. This picture. Okay. See this picture and complete these boxes. Now these are the parts of the eyes. Okay. I also explained you that thing. You have to see the page number 15 and complete this one. Okay. Now question number C. See the question number C on the page number 90. Write down 3 smell you like and dislike. Means आपको जो smell पसंद है उसको यहाँ लिखना है like में, और जो आपको पसंद नहीं है उसको यहाँ लिखना है. ओके स्टूडेंट, दिस इज योर होमवर्क. क्लियर? दिस आई एंड दिस इज योर होमवर्क एंड आई ऑल्सो राइट ऑन द बोर्ड. Make a picture of your eyes or eye and label their parts. Okay, this is the homework. Okay.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है मेरे से आपका.
Make a picture of eye and label their different parts. Okay student, this is your homework. Clear? This is your homework. Make a picture of eye and label their different parts. This is the homework. And this thing also given in this page number 19. Draw the picture. Okay? Book page number 90. Clear? Draw this picture in your notebook. Okay? This is the homework. Clear? Now student, read this chapter also 1 or 2 times, 3 times at home. Okay? Clear? And if you are facing any difficulty to make a call to me. Okay, my number also with you. Clear? Now tick the correct option, true and false. This thing we finished today. Okay, I explained you all the things. Now student, this is your homework. Make a picture of eye and label their different parts. Okay, this picture given in your book, page number 19. After that, I finish my lecture here and read the things, and please be safe, take care of your and also your family members. Okay, and maintain the cleanliness in your house. After that, I finish my lecture. Good day. Bye.